This laundry room needed a full-blown transformation, and FrogTape helped me make it happen. From the jump, using FrogTape made everything easier, especially the prep. We started by taping off the ceiling with FrogTape Advance. It's great for trim, cabinets, and surfaces that are already dry. Since I used different finishes throughout the room, I needed sharp, clean lines. Once everything was taped off, we got to painting. And look at our first tape pull. No bleed, sharp lines, crisp finish. Y'all see it. After the walls dried, I switched to FrogTape Delicate Surface to protect the fresh paint while we finished the door and baseboards. And here's a quick tip. Delicate Surface is perfect for fresh paint, and the Advance is best for fully dry areas. This color drench brought the whole space together, and the tape made it easy. No bleed through, just clean lines from beginning to end. Be sure to head to frogtape.com to find the right tape for whatever project you're working on.